Well, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box and see how many bags we got inside. It's 3,772 pieces, so I'm gonna open it up and see how many pieces we got inside. I might start on it today, I might not. We'll see. So coming out of the box, we had all these bags, and then this white box. I guess there's more bags in there, but about to open that up and see. So in the small box, we got the instructions, all the beginning ones. So the ones that are in the big box are like the ones towards the end, I'm guessing. And then we got the big plate. So just an update on the Daily Bugle. I just finished the 8th bag, so I'm halfway through because there's 16 bags in total. And I finished the first 2 sections, plus Sandman and the taxi cab. So it's coming along good. Punisher back there. Got Carnage back here too. Stuff inside. This front piece actually pops off so you can open it if you wanted to. See? I'm not going to do that now. And then, this side piece opens if you want to see the inside of there. This door actually opens up front too, but it's harder to slide that open. That's what I've done so far, and I'll continue working on this most I can. So this is the Daily Bugle set all finished. 16 bags completed. Get the whole tour. Come on. Overall, this set was really good. I really enjoyed it. I think it was worth my money, the $350 it took to spend it. And the reason why I mainly got this because it was retiring this year. And then if I would have got it like a week later, it would have went out of stock on the Lego website. So I'm glad I got it when it did. But yeah, overall, this is a good set. And I enjoy it. I mean, it took me a while to do it because, you know, I don't work on it like, I don't do it all at once. But hey, I got it done. 16 bags, 3,000 some pieces. So that's it.